Today, we are talking about email marketing software and how to choose the right platform for your business. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful ways to connect with your customers. Business use email to share the updates, promote products, and build a long-term relationship with the audience. But to do email marketing properly, you need the right software. A good email marketing platform helps you to design emails, manage subscribers, automate the campaigns, and track results. In this video, we will look at some of the popular email marketing platforms and understand how they compare so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share useful tools that help you to grow online. Today, we are comparing some popular email marketing platforms that many creators and businesses use for newsletter, automation, and marketing campaigns. I also placed helpful links in the description where you can explore these tools and try them for yourself. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using the description links, any available offers or benefits will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand how this email marketing tool compare. One popular email marketing platform is MailerLite. This tool is known for its simplicity and beginner-friendly interface. Many freelancers and small business owners choose MailerLite because it is easy to learn and does not feel complicated. It offers a drag and drop email editor, ready-made templates, landing pages, and automation features. It also provides a generous free plan for smaller email list, which makes it a great starting point for people who are new to the email marketing. MailerLite focuses on providing these essential tools that needed to build campaigns without overwhelming users with complex features. Another well-known platform is ConvertKit. This tool is especially popular among creators, bloggers, and course sellers. ConvertKit focuses on building strong relationships with subscribers through personalized emails. Instead of managing subscribers in separate lists, ConvertKit uses tags and segments to organize the audiences more efficiently. This makes it easier to send targeted emails based on subscriber behavior. Many creators prefer this system because it helps them to manage growing audiences while keeping their marketing simple and organized. Another powerful email marketing platform is ActiveCampaign. This tool is known for its advanced automation and marketing features. Businesses that want deeper marketing automation often choose the ActiveCampaign because it offers powerful workflows, audience segmentation, and detailed analytics. It even includes the customer relationship management features, which allow businesses to track leads and manage customer interactions in one system. This makes it useful for companies that want to combine email marketing with sales tracking and customer management. These platforms share many core features such as email campaign builders, automation tools, and subscriber management. However, they focus on different types of users. MailerLite is often chosen by beginners and small businesses because it is simple and affordable. ConvertKit is commonly used by creators and educators who want easy audience segmentation and email communication. ActiveCampaign is often used by businesses that need advanced automation and deeper marketing insights. When choosing an email marketing platform, it is important to consider the ease of use, automation features, pricing, and integrations with other tools. Some businesses need the simple newsletters, while others require complex marketing funnels with detailed tracking and automation. In simple words, the best email marketing software depends on your business goal. If you want something simple and easy to start, then MailerLite is a great option for you. If you are a creator who is building a loyal audience, then ConvertKit works very well. And if you want powerful automation and deeper marketing features, then ActiveCampaign is a strong choice. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more simple guides and software comparisons. And don't forget to check the link from description so any available offers or benefits will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Take care and choose the email marketing tool that fits your business best.